What would you do with a basement like this? A spare bedroom, a game room, a home theater, the possibilities are endless. Before you dive into paint swatches and furniture shopping, there's a critical step you absolutely can't overlook: waterproofing. No one wants to invest time and money into building the basement of their dreams only to have it jeopardized by the first heavy rain. Water and leaks can exploit even the smallest entry points, potentially causing significant damage to your newly renovated space. Waterproofing your basement isn't just about preserving aesthetics. It's about safeguarding the structural integrity of your home and protecting your health. Let's go through a checklist of essential waterproofing measures before you embark on a basement finishing project. A vapor barrier applied to your walls acts as a shield against water vapor, effectively preventing it from getting into your basement. Interior perimeter drains act as a network of channels that intercepts water seeping through the walls and efficiently directs it to your sump pump. A sump pump is a critical step in the battle against basement flooding. This pump pushes the water out from your basement, preventing potential flooding. A dehumidifier combats excess moisture, preventing that musty basement odor and not allowing the growth of mold and mildew. It's also important to make sure your walls don't have any weak points. Any cracks, gaps, or holes in your basement walls are potential entry points for water. If you notice a crack or gap in your basement walls, don't ignore these signs. Check out the video on how to take care of them. Now, if you've already finished your basement, here are some steps you can take to keep water out. Regularly cleaning and maintaining your gutters and downspouts reduces the risk of water ever reaching your basement. If you live in cold climates, an antifreeze discharge line for your sump pump prevents the pipes from freezing during the winter months. Even if you think basement waterproofing isn't necessary right now, remember that you could be setting the stage for something worse in the future. Water damage can wreak havoc on your belongings, ruining furniture, electronics, and even creating health risks. Over time, water can even weaken your home's foundation, leading to costly and potentially dangerous structural issues. Think about it. You're creating the basement of your dreams. Do you really want all that to be flooded? Get started today with a free inspection and waterproofing estimate from the pros at Groundworks and get one step closer to a space you'll enjoy for years to come.